I'm Dr. Arca, and welcome to New Way Health. If you've ever scrolled through your feed late at night, you've probably seen dozens of claims. Eat this and burn belly fat overnight, or doctors hate these 5 foods. But today, we're not falling for dubious hacks, mysterious teas, or snake oil concoctions. Instead, we are going to examine something both real and scientifically supported, surprising food combos that don't just taste good, but can actually help your body target belly fat. Now, before we start, let us get one thing straight. There's no single food that's going to melt fat from your waistline while you binge watch your favorite show. But what you eat together matters, in unexpected ways. Certain food pairings can boost metabolism, tame cravings, and encourage your body to burn more fat, especially that stubborn stuff around your midsection. Some of them may really surprise you. So today, we are recounting down 5 food combos you believe actually exist, and the science on why they work. Let's get started. Combo number 1, avocado and black beans. It sounds simple, right? But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Black beans are packed with protein and soluble fiber, both of which are amazing for stabilizing blood sugar and helping you feel full for hours. Avocados, on the other hand, bring healthy fats into the mix, specifically monounsaturated fats, which studies have linked to reduced belly fat storage. Together, they create a powerful synergy. The healthy fats increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins found in the beans, while the fiber and protein keep your cravings in check. Bonus? This combo keeps your gut bacteria happy, and healthy guts are linked to smaller waistlines. Period. Combo number 2, Greek yogurt and raspberries. Maybe you already love yogurt and berries, but have you ever truly thought about what the two are doing in your body? Greek yogurt is loaded with protein and probiotics, tiny friendly bacteria that help regulate digestion. Raspberries are unusually high in fiber for a fruit, plus they contain natural compounds called polyphenols that help break down stored fat. When you eat them together, the high-protein yogurt slows digestion of the fruit sugars, giving you longer-lasting energy and less insulin spike, which is a win if you're fighting belly fat. Plus, the probiotics feed the healthy bacteria in your gut, which, as you'll soon see, comes up a lot in this story. Combo number 3, salmon and broccoli. This one might sound like an average dinner, but there's magic in this pairing. Salmon is well known for its omega-3 fatty acids. These not only lower inflammation, which is directly linked to stubborn abdominal fat, but also play a pivotal role in switching on your body's ability to burn fat. Broccoli, meanwhile, is high in fiber and contains sulforaphane, a unique plant chemical that helps the liver get rid of fat-promoting toxins. Together, these 2 foods make your body a hostile place for belly fat. Plus, they taste shockingly good together, especially with a squeeze of lemon. Combo number 4, cottage cheese and pineapple. Stick with me because this one is less weird than it sounds. Cottage cheese is a powerhouse. It's high in casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps you full and supports muscle growth. Why does muscle matter? Because the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. Pineapple is rich in the enzyme bromelain, known to reduce bloating and help with digestion. The sweet and salty combo is already a treat. But in terms of fat loss, the protein suppresses hunger hormones, and the bromelain helps ease the digestive process, making it easier for your body to metabolize fat. And finally, combo number 5, green tea and lemon. Okay, not quite a meal, but hear me out. Green tea is packed with catechins, substances that fire up your metabolism and increase fat oxidation, especially belly fat. Adding lemon isn't just for flavor. Its vitamin C makes it easier for your body to actually absorb the catechins from the tea. Studies show you get about 3 times more benefit from green tea's fat-fighting powers when you add lemon. It's a simple change, but one that can seriously increase your results over time. Now you might be thinking, these combos don't sound like magic, just real food. And you'd be right. Because there is no magic trick, no secret ancient recipe that will give you instant abs. But these pairings do something better. They let your body work the way it was meant to, helping you curb cravings, boost your metabolism, and target that stubborn belly fat in a natural, sustainable way. So next time you're meal prepping, packing snacks, or yes, binge-watching your favorite show, give these combinations a try. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but your waistline just might too. And remember, when it comes to burning belly fat, a little science and a lot of good food goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, why not hit that like button? And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more tasty tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments too. Let's chat about your favorite healthy recipes.